Tnat Pulit jong sarkar jala lingba ka Central Recruitment Board kalayo ban thungkam hadu sihajar si phongut ki Samla na pedeng ki iwei pensan lakngut ki wei pat ki Samla ki bala apply ka te ka kam ya ka sithi thungkam la IT da menteri rangba ka sarkar jala kondat konggal sama ha ka arfuai tarik unai tung aja apulai ha ba keren ka jingalang kondat sama uloong ba ban airu jingero e ka Tnat Pulit bawan ha pedeng bun ki jing e penban layo on Pyndep yang ketika kam ha kani ka sngi luong ru ba ka sarkar ka don gijing thumu ban the chuchu i kali Pulit naga banta ban pensuk ye ki kam ki bo pher bar kumjuru ye ki motorbike negi kali asaka ki ban yarap stet habadon ginu gijing ja ki bakar ki nalor jong kontrat konggal sangma don rengkat ru ba preston tensong bulong sembut menteri rangba uba DP walang chief secretary jong sarkar jela bat Dr. LR Bisnoy belong DGP jong Tnat Pulit.
Swellington Pale, Ferdinand Shermang.
Volunteers of the citizens of the state. So let us work harder. During the personal interviews, quite a number of people talk to me, sometimes over phone, sometimes they met me personally, requesting, if possible, role number so and so, being the Home Minister, please help them out. I said, even my own son, my own wife, I'll not be able to help. I just simply replied that way. Why? I asked myself, why so many people coming, meeting, requesting me? So ultimately, I realized that, our friends thought that the process of recruitment can be manipulated at any point of time, which is not at all true. My dear parents, let me tell you, your children, they are in this place today on merit basis. It is not because of Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister or anybody else who helped them out. All of you are deserving candidates, and please work harder.
People enjoy ensuring that whatever work you do is bringing satisfaction to you, and that's the only way to ensure that you overcome all the difficult challenges. Apart from all these that you will face, I also want to share with all of you that as a government, we are working towards a major reformation in the police department. Be it the commissionerate, which we are planning to have in Shillong. As you're aware, Shillong is our capital, and at the same time, a lot of the law and order situations happen in Shillong, or the epicenter, I should say, is most of the time in Shillong. And hence, only having an SP city may not be sufficient to ensure that we are able to give proper law and order in the city and the capital. And hence, like other capitals in other parts of the country, have a commissionerate. We are proposing that a commissionerate should be here, and we have discussed this. Honorable Deputy CM himself is taking personal interest in this, and very soon we will be having this particular commissionerate here in Shillong. At the same time, we have also realized that we have different outposts, police stations, different other branches of the police department, and in all these areas we've seen that though the offices and the different infrastructures are there, the different manpowers are not sufficient. And hence, the policing that we expect and the kind of results that we expect from the grassroots, we are not able to get those results because of the lack of manpower in certain cases. And hence, we have taken a conscious decision that we will ensure there are roughly, we have just made a very rough estimate, but we will, of course, keep working on it more in the coming days. But a rough estimate of approximately 2,000 of such posts right now are there, where we need to immediately fill up these vacancies. And hence, a very, very fast process of recruitment will take place. Again, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister himself is leading this, and they have had multiple meetings, and we are targeting. Again, I mentioned we are targeting. It's not an easy target because there could be challenges. We are targeting that anything between 6 months to 9 months, within this period of time, we are hopeful that all these 2,000 posts will be occupied and we'll be able to put manpower in these 2,000 posts. So this will again be a huge benefit, especially to our younger generation, where the employment that is there in these areas will come out for our youth of the state, and that is another area which we're going to be focusing on. And I would urge the DG and the Chairman of the Recruitment Board that we should take every step possible to ensure that these vacancies are filled up at the earliest.
6 months. So these are the number of vacancies. 1,010 total candidates were taken, and you will be surprised to know that nearly 1,60,000 people applied for this. For one post, nearly 160, and against some posts, more than 200 people applied. So the Meghalaya police recruitments, we have given here some data. So you all have come through the tough competitions after vigorous screening during the physical standard test, physical efficiency test, trade test, written test, and finally the interviews. The whole process of the recruitment was organized in the 7 centers, different centers of the Meghalaya. So you can see here that we have given the post-wise, there were total 8 different ranks, ranging from the sub-inspector to the followers, and we have shown here the total post. Out of you, total 41 will be joining as a unarmed branch sub-inspector, and the major chunk of this recruitment belongs to the constabularies. So we have shown here the profile of the newly recruited the police personnel. You can see here, you have come from all the 12 districts of the Meghalaya, and the East Khasi Hill is the leader and the West Khasi Hill is the second as far as the number of candidates from the districts is concerned.